Good morning, guys. How you doing? Why am I in my dressing gown? It's the week before Christmas, and I got a couple of days off, and I've been contemplating doing a build for a competition, a club competition, and this is the diary of the build. So welcome along. It's going to be as good as you expect it. I've got some other things going on at the moment. And this is the build. Okay, this is the build. Now, I've done some buses before, but I haven't done a camper. And if you like what cars and things I do, then I think you know what to expect from this. So we've got 1/24th scale VW T1 camper. Some people in the VW world would say a T1 is a Beetle, not the bus. So there we go. It's quite heavy, this box, actually. So you've got all the details on the inside. Lots of parts. And from this, on this box, you've got all the information about production and stuff, colours to use, blah, 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 and a QR code. Okay, so that's that. So I'm going to open this up. Yes, it is the week before Christmas, look. So there it is. I've got a lovely colour to do this in. It's like a pale grey. So we're going to go with the same kind of grey, white, but the colour I've got is like a bluey grey, bit subtle, which will bring out the rust and the weathering and things. Yeah, so that's that. I hope you can stick along, and I'll see you on the next update.